Today I'm going to be doing my first restore. You can see that my metal is cracking. I'll be repainting that soon. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay, well you can see that they're all beat up. I gotta clean all that up. And I'll be back with the rest of the video.
The first thing I'm gonna do is clean workspace, a toggle or something. I can do it on my floor because I'm like that, but the shoes, cleaning palette, I use Refresh. I'll leave a link in the description where you get this. I also use their cleaning conditioner. It's a very good product. I recommend it. And leave a like and subscribe to get my channel better. It really helps. Oh yeah, one more thing. You can also use the super best to give them little curvature and stuff. And then also get a cap and put the lights.
Let me know where you trying to be. I'm the one they trying to see. Get these girls all kind of D.
That's enough to right here. This enough to this pink
you sold 1,000 walk-up tickets in Diego. Switch the venue, rest in peace. Tony Gwynn, I just see the feel different. Had to flood the whole bracelet, man. This shit just feel different. My brother Larry told me yes. He coming out the rep that west. Made it back to the hotel to watch my face and catch my breath. Another night at mama's shelter watching movies by myself. I could go downstairs, find a cutie and get some help. I be sagging on stage, damn, I should just wore my belt. Try and put them ice cubes on your leg and make it melt. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I like that. Oh, I like that. Do your thing, girl. Gon' represent. Gon' represent. Gon' represent. Tell me do your thing, girl. Gon' represent. Gon' represent. Gon' represent. Instagram block. It's feeling like she not it. No matter what kind of car I'm in, I'm looking like the top pick. She told me let's go to the bridge, Dom. I wanna watch this. So I drove to pick her up the other day. She wasn't ready. Walking up to a room, only us. Not a sound, wrapped in a green towel, wiping lotion all around. I used the whole bottle, messing with you, better know it. Lay down, I'll pour it. After that,
as you can see, they're nice and cleaned up. I love to buy the icy stuff too because that's light, but not trying to clean bottom of it.
It sounds weird, but I do get a flathead or anything that's like have a flat surface and it's hard to get stuff like this off. I hate dudes that spit gum on the floor and stuff. It gets on my nerves. But yeah. These pictures are here to show you what I've done so far. And back to the regular video. I'll do the other shoe right now.
All the Capricorns, it's your birthday. Oh.
Lil' Keys on the beat.